Hi guys, in this video we will see few more Git commands which are not covered in the previous Git Basics Part-1 video. You can find this video link in the below description. First we will discuss about Git-pull. If there are any changes to the main source code, to fetch them we use Git-pull. See, here in the main repository you can see property.txt which got added by your teammate or which is not present in your local system. To get that change in your local system, you are just doing git-pull. First you are changing your directory to the local repository and just doing git status. Before powering git-pull, make sure that you don't have anything to commit, everything is up to date. So I'm just doing git-pull. Yep, properties.txt file got added. So to verify that, I'm going to my local repository. Yeah, property.txt file got added. Git branch. You can think branch as a new working directory. Instead of copying the source code to the other directory, you can create a branch and work on it. So to create a branch, first I'm moving to the local repository location and I'm just doing git checkout -b with the branch name. So this will create the particular branch with the particular branch name. Here it is at trial1 and we can see it switch to this new branch name trial1. You can do git status. Yep, you are on the branch trial1. I'm going to my local repository. Yeah, I need to add this progress text document to this trial1 branch. For this, I'm first doing git status. Yeah, this progress.txt is in untracked files list, so I'm just doing git add. Once it is done, I'm doing git commit with the message. Yeah, now I'm doing git push to the
branch trial1.
Once it is done, here you can see this git push is done to this particular branch trial1. Here now bottom you can see new branch trial1. So you can refresh it. Yeah, you are now at master branch, so you can go to trial1 branch. So here you can see the progress.txt file which is added to the trial1. If you go to the master branch, you won't see that file because you didn't add in master. Okay. If you do this compare and pull, you can see what are the differences between these two branches, like master and trial1. You can comment it and you can create a pull request. This way you can identify any changes between the branches. Git-merge integrates multiple branches to single branch. Here you can see that I have master branch and trial1 branch. I need to do merge between these two branches. So for that, first I'm doing git status. Okay, doing git merge. I'm just doing git status. Yeah, I'm on a branch trial1. So to go to the master branch, I'm doing git checkout with the branch name master. Yep, now I will switch to the branch master. Now I'm doing git merge. I want to merge trial1 with the master, so with the trial1. Yeah. So additional file progress.txt in the trial1 is added to the master file. Now I need to commit this change. For this I'm doing git push. With the branch name master. You can check it. Here is the master branch. You can see the progress.txt we got added. If you switch it to the trial one, you can still see all the files in the trial one. Doesn't mean if I'm merging they might disappear. Yeah, you can still see them. This is about merging. Git-clean. It removes all the untracked files in your repository. I'm just going to my repository here. I just added the image file which is untracked, so I'm using git-clean. For that, first I'm doing git status. Here you can see that image is under the unpacked file session, so I'm just using git-clean with the -i, means interactive mode, which gives all the options. First I'm selecting the clean. So first option, yep, it removed the image file. I'm using git status, it's got deleted. Yeah, here you can see there's my image.